Here we have an OEM transmission torque mount that hasn't even been on the car 1 year, and I'm about to show you the big difference between this and the IPD Billet Poly Trans Torque mount. Before we get into that, I want to let you know that these trans torque mounts are made by Hutchinson, and they're the same exact ones used by Volvo. You can see here where they ground off the Volvo logo. That's because Hutchinson builds these for Volvo, and they just put the Volvo logo and charge more. Hutchinson still sells these just with the Volvo logo ground off. Here is the main difference between the IPD Poly Billet mount and the stock OEM mount. See how much flex this has? The IPD Billet Poly mount has 0 of this, in or outside of the car. You can try to flex it and it will not move like this at all. The stock mount moves like crazy. And that's great for casual, normal driving. But if you want a bit of a sportier, more solid feel in your car, that IPD mount is definitely going to do the trick. And it doesn't add as much vibration as people may think. No movement at all, even out of the car. Very solid. OEM would be moving side to side for sure. Nice. Hello everybody, today we're going to be installing the IPD Trans Torque mount made out of billet and poly. You're going to need a 18mm, maybe an impact, strong one, and then a 14mm to take off the bolts. Let's get started. You can throw them away in the recycling. Put the IPD in one the same way, snap it up to your old one, and then use 2 hands and put it in. So this is the car with the Poly Billet Trans Torque mount from IPD. As you can see, it's not vibrating that much. I'm gonna put the camera on the steering wheel. Really vibrating at all. I don't really feel it. I was scared it was going to make it vibrate a lot, but honestly it's not too bad. Thumbs up. It's really not vibrating that bad.